Have a good day to all friends, followers, or you all. Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today, the robot what did? Let's see on my account the Volatility 75 Index Scalper robot, which is Orion Ventures version 2. We released. Okay, watch this video till end so you also see the video of robot. I will paste after this results video and withdraw from my account. Okay, so now look here. We continuously made profit. Look here. Volatility 75 Index Scalper robot. This is pure scalping robot for swing trading. Once that market give a swing for buy and sell, the robot pick the trade and the scalp. Look here, 2 minor losses. Look here. Robot also set trailing stop, take profit, and also stop loss. Look here. There are 2 losses and $108 made today. So let's go for withdraw. I will open MT5. Look here, a binary is already ready. Let's withdraw from MT5. Look here. Now it's come to my CR account. Let's click on cashier. Let's click on withdraw. Now they sent me email, so let's go for email and check the email. Yes, there is the binary email. Now let's withdraw in my Skrill account. $108. Always withdraw, guys, and enjoy the money. Let's request payout in my Skrill account. There is done. Thanks for watching, and also see the video of robot.